Tonight in Medical Rounds, we've all heard about CPR programs where you can become certified to assist someone in medical distress. But have you heard about first aid for a mental health crisis? That's right. There is a unique free program offered at the Institute of Living at Hartford Hospital that allows you to become certified as what's being called a mental health first aider, to recognize and help someone experiencing a mental health related crisis. And joining us live to talk more about that is Patricia Graham. She is a clinician at the Institute of Living at Hartford Hospital and mental health first aid coordinator for Hartford Healthcare. Good evening, Patricia. Nice to have you with us tonight.
Good evening. Thank you for having me.
Well, the program sounds very interesting and certainly very important. Give us an overview of the mental health first aid program offered at the Institute of Living.
We're very excited to be offering mental health first aid and youth mental health first aid. It's an 8-hour certification course designed to teach anyone who has no idea about mental health problems the signs and symptoms of when a mental health problem is developing and also when a crisis is occurring and actually what to do with it.
That's great information. And you speak about the signs and the symptoms. What are some of the risk factors, the warning signs that you teach your participants to recognize?
So we talk about depression, we talk about anxiety, psychosis, and substance use, and the signs, things that we as individuals can see within others, and also symptoms, what people are experiencing internally. So we talk about those, and in youth mental health first aid, we talk about the difference between adolescent development and when a mental health problem is occurring, because sometimes we who have adolescents in our home might not really know, what is this? What's going on?
That's a good point. Now, once a mental health first aider establishes that there may be a crisis going on, what do you teach them to do? How should they respond?
So the wonderful thing about mental health first aid is it not only teaches you how to identify something, but then what to do. So through the Algae action plan, which stands for assessing for risk of suicide or harm, listening non-judgmentally, giving reassurance and information, encouraging appropriate professional help, and then encouraging self-help and other support strategies. It directs individuals with what they can do and how to get them the appropriate help they may need.
All right, Patricia, we have just a few seconds left, but I have to ask you this question because I know we probably have viewers who are thinking, I want to take that course. What does it take to sign up for this course to become certified?
You can sign up, you can just Google it, and anyone can take this course.
Wow, good to hear. Well, thank you so much for sharing your insight with us and leading the effort in providing such a valuable course for the community. All right, once again, let's get back to that free class, the information that we were talking about. There are several offered throughout the year. The next one is coming right up, January 19th. To register for that class or to learn more, call the number you see on the screen. In the meantime, Patricia is answering your questions on this topic on the Hartford Hospital Facebook page in a live discussion happening right now.